base, my tree so base, aba base. I last final my side, your three side, your baby taboo. So dear, also see, I know, you know. And this I listen will be you know. One, it's a lie, it's a completely lie. Because me, I can send up the bottom car, and I said a couple of free pack. Maybe I can't couple through. Now, I see you know, I'm last 2 weeks saying that me will go into it. And I'm a catcher and say, you two and a more say, you bet you just kakakra, yet you have a good battle. Be a baby do ready. So, my engineer, yes, he can't, yeah, me come back to say, me compare here. We love you. If you say, you know, you two and a more, baby, a bit to my neighbor say, be a good acquired, yeah, and that is the only place we have done that. And I'm you know, all years, so we call 49 campaign. Now we will crash it. Why are you bringing them people down? This people, why are you bringing them people down? Why are you bringing them people down? I want black women say, you walk quietly, so I'm sincere, you know. I can't swear. We saw the bad radio, so no. Me, I'm chairman. And see, can I say what friend, chairman? And then, what that woman, sincere, maybe into an amount of minister, and then come say, you know. When was the last time we did that?
I was your for way a year or a Bernard that you was your coach. I went to me and I can say now some of the boy another say was say ye bopri yura Emmanuel Kwakwan Shirinian ni din komo sanse party mumma ne ko wie kire na se mentime wase kakra ba na se ha dwere nam so ma yura Kwakwan Shire so be kire mu se wono wo ka soro ka fom woni adwene po bia so opeso de party no anase bia mampanyi na ado nanim twitwiri fom enti no bo pa oyesa
That is unfortunate. I witness it. The spectacle of what happened over there. So maybe for at the point in time, it takes two to tango. Me are there. Man for no or more how more money. Me as part of my routine here, a piano. The man who saw Parliament and me trying to more come in place for because some no give put down because I'm not after Obama for Parliament. We can't do that. Finally, you know, and yet I can a both inside Parliament and outside Parliament. Yama kwanya the one say senior idea so we keep trying more come pay so don't go di guta ho and na start here no we go see now how do nana we don't pa we say we guys we come on quiet na man cha hin because we go change the table we say when we go eking about them oh na say we I wish you were there witness the fear I have to calm them down some can say the at the point in time we move no more I just man take come on see me car more than 1 hour. So come a car. I didn't mean anything for that. In Carrie saying, so more only concern more reason. Again, a quite meaning a fine Robert. Quentia can't quentia. Now think to my can't quentia. Not as the issue. We pay you and does a bad and every chairman. But on that may be saddle. Proud to your very election. The chairman didn't come. Also, I'm changing you on my main contact on the number. I mean, and so I don't like this very thing because that's why I say empty need the rejection. I mean, yes, I'm the pen. But the chairman, I can say, when friend on your it's not true. Make sure you won't come with that. And chairman make me away, make a thing, and you have got a matter so. So I should know Yamina, other letters for me. Make 32 to say, I don't know who shot a general, because contact I know, put up over Holomo, I know it, or study a plan also that I like to know the age man. She know age man. Say, idea, I need to get some Sabana for you. Because we appreciate it. Maybe we said, yeah, she got some and I said, no, but you see, I'm honestly happy about that. I want me to the intelligence of that. You are insult the intelligence of the move forward. The men Americans are it's not right.
I was your for way a Johnny de Madashia. Well, watch Mama be just south about so you are Emmanuel Kwakwan Shire na Saminti. Ya kwa maso 9 ya mancha hini. Nana free fab one saya otoso mienu. Akwa kodi nkomo dia fase me ho. Nana ma hai.
Ejeso.
Na oda ma wapo mu ye de.
Oh, nyame do so ho ye.
Nyame adom okurukra ye mu. Na radio wo manfo na akwafa ba akwan ho nsem ya. Wo bia nso so a wo su naniwa. Eti na chese wakwa akoyo hene a. Wo wa manchia ne de wo se etimi ne odi nkomo. Ma me ne nkia misa se anyambi amanchia mokwan no te say enye sade yetete no no
yo ohima me dase no kwasem ekwa ne de ese wani enzo ka kire ese maybe ameka wonyini ese enye kura ahumeti na ya na ya awreho se uhu no kure na obeka yese ebia se nsei enra no mo ba ho na MP no ba ye no kure nyame anim ni e wa mfa na ho gno ze amanfo no bu afua nkasa se adena ye ni aye party ye di akire yesum na afi ye bre wo ye kwa ho sa ti se kwa ne de wo kan no kure nyame anim ni nya nika na won se wo ba ta nso se wo mesu ya wa ni esu hwe wanim o se MP no ni ba ta ya se wode ya no wo nti se ye kapa no ho asem a ne ye be ka kire no na aja wa ma yewura na nado nso aso ate nti ekwa ne de no kure nyame anim ni enye
you anana wadaro ma ya kan say no na wo panyipa ya wono na contractor no wo hwama mo kwan no ya tumi aguso no akro ya na ya sante manta mu tikyere ni eduma NPP me kire chama wontumi wo kire se MP ne ba wo ba ye no na won mo tete bibi se woni nipa bi no kura akotena se ayesa hye no se obeba mpasua no so na oba se ni se na monye no se wom de se ka bedi na chi ni ade wono ne ye adwene wo sa kwan no so de omabunu no ye no ye hyehyɛ ho bi eno mo bo apa hyehyɛ ya na
oh yes you are wontumi ma de mrantie ne maba wa de no fa nkwashi obia na se de ebu se bi anya do wontumi wo bo ho mode ye party no wo boa ba wo so hu se bi akro anya pa onso won se nipa na yeto aba no won so wo ya haw won so ema yewura na nado na kotie nti se obi kwanye sa ye na die nti no so de atudie na so ho so bo ekobu obi na me ka se MP ni de ne ba ta oda ya no nti se oba ka ma be su anya na be duane ama wo nti se kwa ne ye hawa MP ni na wo tie su no so no hu se ye hawni anu ti ne ye to abama na se wonko ho no mo no gosi anan na ntimi kan asemayi nti se how be wonder what you go no so no obi mfa so bo no ko obi se obi na se ye ne anka nti ye de ye hunu ye say we into me so who be no obetimi aye di awo na ato de se bi ebu se bi nya de ye hunu ye nim nkosuru ye hunu ye nim ba fo na ade achi ye nso nti ani ye hunu fo sote ko ye ntimi ni party na chi na fe kakra ye wono ye so ye chepa wasi ye njani ye ntimi nya eno ase ne dai obi kaka wasi obi na ye se na de ntimi party to aba na ye nkwada from 18 years going e dey na wasi obi na kire nse wo ye yenza no nkasa no se obi ka o how no a ha wo mo na wo mo hwe no wo mo mfa solution dan say apportion brain mo party no
na chere kakransa mo kwan no ya ka ho asem no anyam bia won ma ye duru ba bi na aka se kro ni finfin wo mo ba ye ana kwan no ba bi o mo
ye duru ba bi a ifiri yo so kwa twam ko isansi bontefuo mu ahwerewa asuonyu ya manchi akobe di ba bi anye o mo ye duru ba bi a
and as any se wo hwe video ye ba ye ya hu se ebi atwen se kan ni ade e fa ba bi no de wo manfo ye no nana we de wadaro ma so ani de
o ba se bi ani ne hawo ene ne so ani ya se bi eburu se benya do ya so ye o ya na se wa anfe wo twen se obi nwuru ana
se no so nkire se mo ntwe se kan ye o ana
ohima de di aduro no aduro mpanim ko ba bra hwe o eden enyemre ufa kwa no so awre ko pa
Yes, Nana Wadaro my das Swaji and so. Now, more quine so the anybody actually. Now, you share baby.
And the no country going to me say, who be there when we are 1 year. And no mumba party. Than see about portion brains. And no the M party.
I know dear more party, no, none ever was no burn wadajia, Onyamae.
Okay.
I was your friend, and didn't come away a year. A mancha hene, none free fab one sign or tossum you know, and I now swatch you mono be and how will be also soon. Osineniwa.
Kosuana efa unsusuane wadwenchane bra. Ye live ewo Facebook na YouTube no so adwuma saa kwam ye di ho na afa ho no ma obehia yen na wodi unsusuane wadwenchane nyina bane akenkan de afransam no na ye temo ba bia wo bia na adwuma awia na abakranti adwobre wi mu aye kakra taxi drivers no obi anka na koma enfantru yem nyamete ase emo no nsane de na station no won saka aban yi won hyehyɛ ye bi sɛ ebra no ya na wone amanfo ehia na samtwerɛfo so ka ho na wakyerɛkyerɛ nsamu de man samtwerɛfo na samtwerɛfo so agye na afeso watesem no wabiebie mu na afeso wabie mu sɛ ya na kwani mu sɛ ba ya obi abehu nia ɛkɔso ɛhyɛ bɛ no ɔde ba de na wɔka kyerɛ manfo na wɔsɛ ne manfo nyɛ de na mfa moa no ne nyina no ɛyɛ ade a ya aban no ɛtaayɛ na ene aban no asantemantam so afro yɛwura Simon wɔ Simonsa ana akɔpie mu ɛwɔ amanebɔ atenaye ɛwɔ enkramantam no mu dwumadie no ase na asantemantam so afro yɛwura Simon wɔ Simonsa de nsɛm bebree atodwa wakyerɛkyerɛ nsɛm ɛne nneɛma ɛkɔ so dwuma aban no di mantam ahodoɔ no ɛmpo asantemantam de aban no atwa ahoma mu de wɔde asɔ bɛbɔ fam de wawie a ɛnkyɛ bɛte ne nsa firi ho ɛne nneɛma bebree ɛne yɛwura yi ɛde todwa.
The road sector. Since 2017, the region has seen 336 separate road contracts with a total length of 6,498.75 kilometers. Of this, 1,515.06 kilometers have been completed, representing about 23.3%. And the breakdown, we have the first table there for Department of Urban Roads. Department of Urban Roads has awarded 64 contracts. When it comes to the Ghana Highways Authority, they've also awarded 69 contracts. And then Federal Roads has the largest, which is about 203 contracts, all summing up to the figure of 336. One area people have been yearning for is the construction of interchanges in the Ashanti region. Just on the 28th of July last month, Parliament approved a loan facility of 140 million euros for the construction of the Swami interchange. Besides that, let me explain some things or give additional information. The Sofo Line interchange, which was started by former President Kufuor's regime, also had other interchanges included. One is the Bekwai Runabout interchange. The other will be the G Runabout overpass, which we also call interchange. So if the Sofo Line interchange project is finally completed, then it means we have an interchange at Bekwai Runabout and also an interchange at Konfanochi Teaching Hospital Runabout. I think he will show you some of the routes. We have so many. If you are talking about 1,515 kilometers, we cannot show everything. So we show you a few of them. But when I took over the affairs of Ashanti region, I sat down with the captains of the road sector in the region and we strategized. The first thing we decided to do was to fix broken bridges. The roads were not very bad because some bridges, major bridges, had collapsed. The diversions were too long, so we decided that let's fix first the bridges for which the cost is quite low, and then make those roads motorable. So if you go to Airport Junction, there's a hotel we call Samad Hotel. There was a major bridge there, we fixed that one. We have Kodaso, we have a train going to Bukum area. There was another bridge there on the Ujum Junction through Angomasu to Domiabra. We fixed two there. If you go to the area, we fixed another bridge. We fixed several bridges to make sure that those roads became motorable.
Asantemantam so afro yewura Simon or Simonsa nensa mo de tudwa efri enkramantam no emu ne nyina no eye atran ye hwe amanebo ho nsam so no ya obie mu mansam trofo ba no mu din komo no ene asantemantam so afro ne kopiase a sansebo nyina efri hobai
Ghana na ban na masoya anaso asofo ya wohwe ngita wode won nsem so de ato dwa kyerese awokere fita ya wo magane namu ye sikasem ni mu kontabuo nti wane namu akwakopa dollar no billion mienu ya wode bebo ma yi sikasem na ansa na sasem yi beba no na dwerifo nkabo mu koguta won so hyenkade a kyera ban no senyame ya domo a adwode di animu no womo to sto ahodo nyina mu na womo so da fie na ena wade achia bia dwumadi so ka wasem na wo mahene yodubu ache ne panyipa ede maguta edi nkomo Dr. Joseph Obin ena o chem se we de ya na motuo pa saba no tumi adwene Ghana fo ho na wo hunu ba bia ye pesika ede bi beso ye sika so dia na wono bom nsem ma ban no na momo ka de achira ban no sanye se bi okope no kwa na mom ba bia da ntokoro da ye enwunu guo na se sika we ba na besa enwunu gudia na namfa so ni so enti ba eba no won se obesan so etu hwana mo.
Some papa. Always say the first conference because inspire confidence into the system. Also, what they come with the confidence in the system. So that's right. When we say everything you said it be circulation. Right. One more stops and all get on. Who was assembly will be the cano. It be ready stops and all so and I say 3 manobada depending on the effect of a sub-corner and the cano. When the can what the intention of government in the direction of government. Who was a one more to skinny be now it's coming back from behind here. There's a idea mattress, Meboka. What's a woman so this government be good. Boahema city no avoid na sababa na computer ma scan so be banon na asa aba be boa ashemuke na me have to say sabe no ye diska ye person diska ba no omu ye sia ye na ye ntre wo be scan no fa no be scan no fa sa awo na scan we betinya ba ama companies we 30 people wo ku bia edi mu fa no na ye na so I say ina no e see it after yes you say ye na ye fa when you get a new fellow, and only a feminine. Yes, I quite all the can tell go so. Would be boom, not really a premier, a friend saying, a better, no more ammonia, no what, almost the same, just got it too. And I live in Banks and yet, what's our service? We are not excessive importation. Yes, excessive importation now, it's true, you want to China more, the car, every scale was a man first car, Bako classy, one for foreigners in Bako. I would advance on my son and the banking industry now. Woman is not infrastructure, boom, woman is service industry, and yet the cancer productive sector of the economy, agriculture, no become only a service in the PSK and almost will check one more home office, and countries. And I will share communication giant, so they said the scalp communication giant tobacco. I don't say
I was your phone turning care president the ma ajare phone kabomu koguta Dr. Joseph Obin.
Na e was a good and sense some more aka ho bi ma say wo de wani chere e wa hafo no southwest abaton pesu no so a opani ya wo ye sikasemu twotwofo edema NPP amonyoko no eye owura Elvis Osei Mensanda pa wono na wade atonsam twofo no say yenka na entuguta na obi ante ne ho asese ne yekeka kɔ no e was oto ombo ase pa na onyan wo twen honhom edema aban efi se aban no kakran wogusu ya wo cheche wogusu ya wo piepia akɔ wo bia nsa beka ne de ne science se ko ba se bia mo pese aban no nkoa no mo nkoa no wo twene ne behwa mo sa abere ya da bi eba ne sa no a anya de se ebe yie kura na ebere na woni yenua be ma ebeneza wo so nsa edi nkomo ane wo kire se na anu ada omo ha no mo ti he guta sa nyame ya adoma adwoda wo meto shops ahodo nya no so da bi sa wo ya ne sa no a na wo hawo amane susu ampedie kodanda yawo ani su na monamu no sabio eba ne sa no a na emfiri ho akwai sa wo wura hono anu mapetese sabia apetese ne ti wani so pe yawo no de wogusu a afekwa na obete ne kese nti wo sre wo mo ada wo mtombo ase
nkra metima kan se abotre sansen penfo se oto wase edwa abantate a obehune ya anane so se wo hwe Ghana Union Trade Association and the Mutancha of Guta. Meaning, say, problem Nijina, dollar rate yaso. Do not name say a cost. Mean fancy you. as a politician, I know what entails. Abani bohon like O200 ye gidi kwan so. Mina ensem wo hono ma yes bibi nsikwa. Nti a watwam nana ne se. Sorry na no ensem bia na nkrofo bi kekande sabotage abano concerning the IMF. It's the best way to resolve this particular issue. Intimidate kakra meka say omunya botre because we are putting things in place here. Ebeboa IMF no amakwa anayan konjane no kwa. Bra mo beti ho sunsanso no ye sure say be solve by itself.
Abusia ene ye etwagu ye ne din ene owura Elvis was say men sadapa wodi akotene ewo NPP amanyoko no edimu ye pa na ahafo no south west abaton pesua no so na onsem we efi ya ebaye
Anra awiane mo video bi pie Geoffrey and this amanyoko no wono atena ye no ewa tivido mantemo party office watamale na video no ebaye no na kire mu pefese wono party office awodo wono no and this amanyoko no mabru bi ade nuoma awodo bi de nsekan ye ma nuane ade akwa buruburu akwasasa nuoma abusua na asam no ane anyan na akwaba na posifo kwakire Alhaji Rufai Velim ya wano ya first vice chairman ewa tifedo mantemu ya na wamsu se etuoni akodie bi ewa ne fie ya wano kradi mu ntintimana nam so ema se hurukasam no ekoso mega sadia papa no wama malibeli ya enkaye no so warmo hwesa posifo nsa betumi aka womo na abusua wabra na sa hurukasam ne koso watamale NDC party office no ya twensa ne enuoma se be ko ya mumie kotie ne koba ye bedi nkomo ade afase mi ho
e de tanan tama
I was your for way a year, dear course, swore I were tiffy do mantamu, and I at him was some no 70. Yakoma saw 9 church of open de metifido mantamo, and this Yamanyoko Nora Abdul Mohammed, Salam Akwakodi and Komo. Yara Salam alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.
To na wadaroma yansha dia enrade akoso no dia ba de potepa no see.
Well, very well. The truth is that contrary to the widely held notion that our office had been vandalized, I am speaking to you from my office. I'm actually seated in my office as I'm speaking to you. The people who came to the office came and broke plastic chairs and then benches outside the office. And they locked my office, walked my administrator out and took away the key that he had to the office. And then made away with the administrative laptop that my administrator uses. We have keys to the office. So we have since come to change the locks, and then we are operating from the office. Nothing is damaged in the office. Nothing is damaged.
And one more mobile and no more said about the pound how woman tia. More office and more year, Juma. No, be bet me about Bora on Mabedia Rukasamsa.
Well, as to what exactly is their mission, only they can explain that. By listening to the sound bite accompanying the audios that have been shared widely, it is the issue about the succession as to who becomes the acting regional secretary following the demise, acting regional chairman, following the demise of our incumbent chairman, the late Alhaji Ibrahim Mobila. So we have in our constitution vice chairman who are two of them. So we elected one of them to act. So from their soundbite, it is more like they are not happy with the decision.
And so see you can say a policy for
Naturally.
Abdul, as I see na police for who say police about. Akati. You. I was your for Wira Abdul Salam. Chocho for Penny Dema and this Yamanyokono, one of fair what if you don't man Temuna ni dim komono. Na watch the more and not a Wurkasamwa. Ekɔ so ɛwɔ NDC amanyɔkuo no wɔn mo fa ɛwɔ tifedo ɛna no wɔkyerɛ mu sɛ sɛsia yɛkasa kura no wɔda so ɛwɔ party office hɔ na sɛsia no deɛ ɛwurukasɛm bia wɔn ma wusɛ mmeranteɛ no maba wɔ binom bu afu ɛne adeade nanso so wɔ bia nsɛ adeɛ sɛ ɛne no ɛdi nkɔmɔ no na akɔakɔ sɛ ɛmabunu dodoɔ no ano wɔn mo bo no wɔ soro wobentumi hunu de ha wonom se akon bi na ya ate si won so ena ma mu di sa adwuma no osade yo ena na nke yapase yapusu no a na wo kyerɛkyɛ nsɛmu de kyerɛ yɛ sentia ama no aba ne saa ne aposifo a won maba ho na nso ahoma no ate kwanti nyame yadom na yɛsanya no a yɛ ne bedi asemi ho enkomo kwabena to so
ɛne ma me nkomra de tie ne sɛ de ɛbɛn na amanfo benya anika ahurusie ɛne ahokeka ayi adwuma ɛwɔ enwuma miayɛ ahodoɔ sebia wo no oba na wadwuma mu ekwan yafa so a ye bebo obo miamia ma ne to ekwan yafa so a utimi no oba na bonsa ho na wo ho atwiri nufu kakara ene ye ha ye ni popo ye ni broma bi eka won kasa boa se won yem wonwuma mu ni ade ene se de yesi tietia manfo fa ahodie so Ghana ha ahodo no ade se ha twen yie pa na aka wo bi ama adesie bebere so de nsusu aba se ebra so se wasa aban no hwe na afa so wo tu anamon na wo yire nsesene mu yie pa Sade baya asema si anaso obenten sebia Dr. Silas wa hayi ebia no ope oba bi wadwum ha na wanya adwuma no wonye na omiamia obai nso suro sebia okoka sesi yi pe 1 Dr. Silas ebefa no hotan etoso biemu so no yebayi na de wadwuma no no de de bia na emiamia no nufu ntuba hu no nufu no na ba akra brotra te se chele ne nyina no yade hadwe papa na ebra na nsam trofo nsiamudie ekoso no Anna sabudu wani chiremu a titrani adema National Women Council of TUC ya maame Rebecca Kwashi ana ode nsabato jano se bra adwe papa na Sompa mo de mote ne de mi wogide mapase sa ba na yiri ne tam kakra bi a sa de ma no batimi ade afiri hɔ pa ekyere se ema de ye ka on kasa boa se wonyam ne ye ha ye ni enkanka ne sa wo no obi wo adwom no ye pani kakra chen wo sa wo ye oba no ma na amforo a wosema yiwadi obetata wo sa wo de obi wo ha wo fo adwuma wo san adwuma no a me befa wo no gese bia me gi wo CV hwe na CV no hotel na ewo akire ho no mi wo room 5 ebo 10 a ya fa o CV ne bra ho o pe wawe no aye din no akwaja ye ho oboko o ya adwuma no nyina wo de sa na ubu afu ne nyina no yade a emua kura entie ma me Rebecca.
The transport industry and or mostly for Mbenyufo. In Timbesiafo ne yebo my home there. Sometimes driver on Kwandra Mbenyufo no hundo yebesia into so there obule drive female drivers our conductors today you do a covered time day. So passenger beautiful basa conductor ka don kocho shewuno smasa o fi the conductor nini enyi tu bi ado be ka chan de on share no smasa ho tum odidi na tam obi wo so a otum wo cha na de olutia fa ni ko onso na wa kaka de onso no nam do ye besie ni ntebo hu de one day sitting wo je ni enyaye nti enyoma bi na eya
na de tade wudi na gia Rebecca na yete ne Rebecca Kwashi wo yetitra ne adema National Women's Council na yete ne nkan na enu achi twotwofo pani adema Transport for Petrol and Chemical Workers Union GTPCWU na odin samatudwa Alhaji Fuseni Idusu ono so bono posi.
It's just a matter of making sure that after this workshop we'll have to make sure that we enforce it. And the enforcement is what is our target now, because don't enforce this, I don't believe that it's going to work. So we are preparing ourselves, like I mentioned, coordinating council of ITF in this country. We are going to hold a meeting next month, and in that meeting we are going to draw programs to make sure that we will be able to sensitize our people, to make sure we put pressure on the employers and also the government for this particular convention ratified. Because it's a tripartite affair. The two parties have to come together and understand. But what I can confidently say is that it needs pressure from labor. Most of the times, the lawyers and government are together. The government is also the highest employer in every country or even in this country. We, the labor, who's the underdogs, to make sure we come together with our numbers and be able to mount pressure on them before you heard the minister say the last time he met me in his office, I was talking about strike action. Yes, sometimes if you don't do this thing to put pressure on the authorities, they don't take you serious. So after this program, we are going to make sure, starting from next month, we draw serious programs. First, get down to our members, get them understand what the whole convention is about, and also make sure that we mobilize them so that we can move on.
We are General Secretary Edema Transport for Petrol and Chemical Workers Union. Alhaji Fuseni Idrisuni Yateninkai. Na Nigina Mons no swap for her per dinner fence so Numa Hun Sam Yankita dear Huns and some so a 1 hour for a wua on also Kasi.
Opportunity to commend the International Transport Workers Federation and the General Transport Petroleum and Chemical Workers Union of TUC Ghana for prioritizing the conversation on this ILO convention and giving unions from member states and social partners the opportunity to discuss in detail what the issues are and the barriers to the ratification of the convention. I must confess, the last time I met my brother and his team, it was about a strike they wanted to apply. This time it's not a strike, it is about advocacy. And that is what I would want to see more of our social partners. Yes, our social partners, there may be disagreements. And when there are disagreements, what one expects us to do is to sit down and talk, find solutions to the problems. But then it is also good that when there are social issues like these ones that we're talking of, they also join hands with other stakeholders to advance the advocacy of it. And I want to applaud you, my brother, for this.
Oswa for what share a per dinner face in my 4 and Tamunkita who dear some so on our bar for a 1 and Kanyati.
Awa Mohammed ya Panipayo Kasadema Youth Employment Agency ya wa Ganemu and I watch Monchi was sorry and sent him Ababada Jawa Ganemu Alpha as a cool phone could die ya 1 to Asosukumua and any pebin mochosa Bano Paso for Quatikwaso now offer 1 more chip compound who draw a moo. Now I know no Panipano Chassereno and yada for a friend Abasho I buy Bia Bess a seat. Now run walk across a mampany nada tesro. Na ya pen sama chechere de abone bunti na nipa binom boapa ye ne won maba monten so na eye ne wonwa pipa sa nurse fo nkabomko Ghana Registered Nurse and Midwives Association wo mo na aba monten so won ma hyase ebo aban no sobo na we no nyese bia enkoda won mo nto asosu ku mu no ye fa wo mo se wo me ya nurse fo na mafi bia ya aban no hyehye ya wo ye na wo de kyerɛkyerɛ nkoda no se ne be ya wo kyena bi so obi wo pepampo se wo wura nurse suku ni mu no kosua de bebre no a wo benya ho nimde mapa na wo tumi ye e de asomoman no
Yemi Nwanwa ene abeye asane say nim say Youth Employment Agency emra ena ehia sia ye de ebaye again you started 2006 under Kufo no first modular Kufo started a community health workers are omo adwuma from Kufo nurse na Kufo nurse na NDC eba power na ompese omo setadi no from Kufo nurse akoye no sum ne na so na omo da so ejinam eti eyade started from 2006 bedru yeah, even in 2018, and you know, if 2 years contract, you know, and I can say, yeah, 5 say, yeah, share, yes, 70 and share not for more in ye. It's a senior high school grad, young mandate in a better unskilled labor, Nipa, where we school, son of the bias, drew, a unemployment, national security threat, you know, into who said, young petty beat from some Maguno National, Maguno, our Hona, or Yejuma, or we senior high school, and so school da na onye juma one share na bon sama ko pay juma manaye enti empe bibia e be so nipa no for be 2 years ansa na bia obetimi ato aso akoye bibia na so ko school na watimi aye eno na ye de ebae ade enso ya running from 2006 up to ene enti na me nwanwa se ye next empany for no abeka se omonkrofo e wo fia ade enti na ye fa nkofa be next obi bi ni ho e be fa ne se o ye next sa omo from zoom next omo nye next only se ne se no e na ase because omo she blue
na bacha omo no e de entete na mo de ma omo
so over the years no say ye fa omo wi a yen youth employment ye ni e capacity say di entity e dombo bia Ghana Health Service and entity omo the 3 weeks entity omo e kire omo two things bako and say omo ebefa especially this one aye omo ebesua health history management into omo beko na omo kuta tablets omo ni na mengra fa data on health the second and say omo ebeko akoye education health education we gradi kuma senya ba kokra beneficiary ba kokra uko kwa bre we baby a municipality piano yenya beneficiary ba kokra omo aye for omo ko gradi akobwa in health education and na omasanfa medical records of people abwa ababan ama se oyen hihye ebia yeko ha no nipa na wuye no because of malaria yakani nyina bu mana unsa ahade malaria prevalent and answer aha wo ekankofo enti wo be unsa district na aban etiki ne policy bia obe Sompa district we no odi anti snake venom kwa betimi aboa ama at least nipa no atimi ase ama omanya omo health enti enya de foforo kra
Anya de foforo kra ya fe na baso abusiofo wei aye kasama for the Youth Employment Agency ora awa Mohammed na ye jana so na ya tonkra yakoba ye beko odumase krobo na yakwa kohwe ya tese wakumobi eda honom a abusua sane nipa no moja si pram no anya semketo na yakwa aba na yakwa kodi nkomo e de afiri ho
Sesia Ghana hade open internet papa eye smooth eye fast bemo ye dia we bia with speed dia eye Cloud Ghana internet and fa ho ne ba bia wo hye say a new site and a rural area Cloud Ghana chow internet ni tuma say demo ani entertainko na ne speed ne so de wo hu ne saso da say dwumem efie ana ba bia wo hia internet bia de and no ane Cloud Ghana internet Cloud Ghana nkwana Ghana ha o provide internet connectivity and twitwi ne Chancy, a dem say smooth. The Audi ABR, a content term so the mouth. Say Wi-Fi and now hotspot deployment, CCTV camera installation, IPVT installation, net surveillance, digital security locks, and a web hosting there. Cloud Ghana internet service in Kwana and you simple when you how beer. You provided 24-hour support. The mouth open a chakwaya top high opposite Love FM. Yene Kwama Rural Bank never dine bakum 0202 699 110. And now 0244 601933. Cloud Ghana Internet. The future can't wait.
Hey, na fido loans say simple sir.
Won so dia beto wallet mu.
Just 15 minutes pay. Egem.
Minua ton drinks or traffic mu so dia beto mu.
15 minutes pay. We be dia beto mu. We adwade we hwan yo. We per small loan wa. De wo hia ne wo Android phone. Wo valid ID card. Na dial *711*999#. Na fa unko download Fido app. Every Google Play Store. Fido ni ye FIDO. Bre na apply for the loan. Wo first time, wo ma 200 Ghana cedis na se wo twa wi a. Next time no apagem kosoro. Wo ma kosi 2000 Ghana cedis.
Eye 24/7 debia.
Ampo.
Unkosa lai wo bank bia. Unhia collateral. Unhia guarantor.
Sapepepe. De wo hia ne se wa dial *711*999#. Na do akọ download Fido app no. No apply for loan. Fido loan. L'argent est prêt.
I see anything.
The money is ready.
Sompa nkomo abusuafo moni me nyina be ya dwen se enye nipa nyina na sasem ha wo mu a wo mu wakukuduro betra radio so beka wo no mase nanso asam no se yen sakade a abedwafo ne arefo tiefo ye de anim die be sesa adwene na obi nso ho aton Sompa nkomo yese awade bie ni wa aseye Bible say na obema ni hu oba no wo se a me honam ni na me dompani sete sade a adene ye ware wi a na ye si akire oba ni wiem bema ni wiem de friend is the cheating no ye be ready ye de ba Bible say obema be jana ja ho ode ho ba akofam ne yere no ma ye honam kro na fe aden ene ye wade wi a oba ye japade ani kuni bema ye japade ani yere nim awade mu kwase abuo ni nyina ye be hwe Sompa nkomo ye de ye se asemu bia fabrayen ye ne ye tiefo ne abedwafo no bedi ama enti hia me ohini ni amakranche adazoa sofumami premaini ewo Sompa 93.1 FM efiada wey enumre no 9 kopema enumre no 9 ye ne ye ntine ni akokuru bete ya omunim awade sisem ye be kyerɛkyerɛ na wawade no ebeye yi Sompa nkomo ye se awade bie ni wa aseye na wawade be se ya ejina wo so.
This is 93.1 FM.
Abusia edawase ma wakwaba ye kɔ ensam foforo mu. NDC amanyɔkuo no ade ensampo bi aba emonten so na wɔnam wɔne a wɔhwɛ wɔnabato ho nsam so ana de nsam no aba emonten so. Ne nyina no ayɛ 2020 kokasi a yɛkɔ so ya yɛkɔto aba no ensam bi ene nneɛma bi ɔmo hunu yɛ ɛwɔ police stations ahodoɔ ene constituency ahodoɔ mantam no bi mu no ene ɔmaka ne nyina abomu pɛsɛ Ghana for etibie na asam no ye pese ye ti ase yie panti awie nyame ayadom ama yensa ka Dr. Tanko R computer woni a wo hwe abato ho nsam so e wo NPP NDC amanyoko no mu no wo obi a odimu akotene yie pa obane Sompa FM so ne eda asem wa ha o
Matthew
me ba so no wapo mte sen
o ibi aboko
ba so wudi ne Dr. Tanko R computer yi.
Hello.
Me pa so wudi ne Dr. Tanko R computer.
Yeah, Medino.
Wara ma mo nsam a mo de aba bonten so no eye se mo pese Ghana fo ehunu niema bi sade mo hunu ya e bia Ghana fo ehunu no saa de mo te ye ne niema bi a mo hye no nso bia Ghana fo anhye no nso saa e wo police stations ahodo constituency na afenso so no mantam ne bi mu no e de ade na mo pese Ghana for ATA.
Okay, let me greet all your listeners. Menche momuna bede mempa just between enye correct. So mbe mix any English. This is number what we want to do is to let the general public no monim say DNA course 2020 elections no because after election na Supreme Court no nipa bebre say NDC and quality results yentimi quality results na me say oh your quality results ne dia election collation ne dia enye one event sa na me pede bin tro mum no munti asese hello
ete wonka pa say
hello
Dr. Mbacha mete wonka
so want them to know that when you come to elections about collation of results. It's not just one event. And say different layers. Now you say quality results, no. What do I say? So say and explain way ma nipa bebre the whole general public to understand, especially NDC people, that the NDC collated its results of the 2020 general elections. And because we collated results, we realized that there was something wrong with the results. And no na say omon fa pinches ni nyina bre akra na ko ye this analysis ye analyze the pinches no baako na ife dey na ekosu na ye say your mama omon timin ndi inkodim no so nye say ye fa pinches ni ba akra say ye say your collation ni dada and no na me tro hu say by 8th December no cry 85% collations na ye na him say John Mama no 48 Nanado Kra was 49. But on say parliamentary season na was 142 parliamentary seats. But on him say 7th December in the night around midnight echo 1 o'clock no nina. Na soldiers from one destroy polling stations, collation centers, the Kima staff, any Zabzugu, any some other 3 constituencies. No more destroying no money, no more declare man MPP. I know na eko ye 137 no. But hello,
Dr. Mbacha,
yes. So, but when you look at our resource, your collected resource, any parliamentary, I didn't say NDC 142. So we knew where not presidential no cry, not your mama and Team Conidia. Something went wrong. And now I say young fat pink sheets, and the mayor Accra, then analysis and coffee. Because we didn't say January, December 7th morning, no pink sheets, no crown, or the use no bad pink sheets, and your correct pink sheets. Yeah, December 1st, dada. Na kantra mami no say the pink sheets when I call use no. And you know what CI 127 no.
Anti, doctor.
Yes.
What are my based on the work can you say if truly say more such evidence around there? I didn't know bra some PM was Supreme Court no. You should have provided all this evidence to base what the Amode call Supreme Court no. I didn't know one year, sir. Yeah, but ya 2 years no. We have some few years and also film just be less than 2 years to general election. And sana modi we no ban. Didn't know person Ghana for no so.
Now, you see, you are right. Who say a crater? Why didn't you send this one to court? Oh, say lawyers and then say court no. Every lawyers they have their own way of doing things. Only say, Mammy, no declare results in the December 9th. Not December 10th, was I by Sisa? Or see, the results no declare December 9th, and you're correct. Or Sasa. Now, no more, your lawyers no say, now where they are constitutional, on to me, yes, sir. So, yes, I did. Send this on the file results in the data. So, on contest court, and say, declaration, Mammy, no, on December 9th, no, and you're correct. As a so, and also December 10th, no crown was a correction, no, and so a problem. So, Mofa Path now, no, almost 30 case now, na Mamino call witness box, no. Then, almost cross examining Mamino, na Mosa Bisano pinches way as Samno, because who say, who see who want figures way, pinches when all used to know no more figures way, the pinches on crying yet.
Doctor.
Yes.
What are my Ghana for Ebusa say? NDC as a political party, you have been in the system for so many years.
Yes.
Munim what it takes to win election.
Yes.
Specifically general election.
Yes.
And munim said nipa monu omu jira so bia nso ye eager say obetimi carry the day no. And based on the work and mokrata no baby kwa no akyere say. Wo hwa yi si ni su ene ne ban ya wo da na de no a eye de wo da na di pefe say wo pese wo wia abanum edema na nado dankwa akufo ado a na mo ne no pre to me no ho no ana asam no kopie mu e wo Supreme Court enti edan na prevent mo say de modi abai ya mo ma evidence to support the course so e wo general election 2020 no montimi am provide all these facts and figures e wo the Supreme Court
enu na me ka say figures no na facts na provide a time no mami no be cross examination no enu na be fa ko o say and this ye written na fa court no a declaration some kwa na fa ko no na they provide pardon no kwa na the add ho o say infractions na me kan pardon who kan so
me will be that many yeah
pardon
I'm pardon no pardon no pardon no Dr. Mbacha what you mean
and say pardon no make pardon let's say
pardon no momo man na do dan kwaku for 5,660
oh say eno dey endorse kra na njo mama 801
in total
so ye eno na say ye example na say figures no na mama ko declare December 9th no December 9 figures no oh say pardon so count na other infractions so count na infraction na pay on gina box no na cross examine so who
say brand na seven course Supreme Court doctor say wo kai a it go to a point na mo percent ka John Dramani Mahama na sen ko hia yi si ni wo box no na nka 1 on 1 watima busa na sem I hope say wo kai sa asem no
I say no na e kan. No, say no na e kan.
Ana e ba se emra no se opɛ a obetumi abeginam, opɛ a wontimi meginam meboa.
And said lawyers no mo kai.
Enti based on mo fraction ya mo dia bai. Ana mo ma ya mo calculations e wa ha se enti pɛ mo calculation de na e kyerɛ se bibia mu no mo ma mo candidate which is John Dramani Mahama 5,388,871 and mo ma na do dankwa Akufo-Addo 4,572,756 making mo candidate John Dramani Mahama the winner. So in short no na mo kyerɛ se John Dramani Mahama na edi nkunim. Is that not the case?
No because who say pinches no na me calculate no. Who enu na me kai no BVD entries no. All pinches no na no BVD entries no. Bad pinches. Any proper pinches because who go to aba na BVD no adwuma records bia enka ho. So when say only there where there is ballot staff and any over voting bia any and I know be a bad kind of voting.
Dr. Mi Jawa Mwakwa we are part of NDC mo hwa ni mu say nyame ya adoma 2024 mo be san ba into the field now for so much ma be hwese Ghana for betimi amamo kwanya no masa be di o man no so a.
Yes.
And we no I didn't na munyin to mo say eye mo ankasa mo petty mistakes be na mo be go back to the drawing board betimi rectify some problems and the man can be am why dan say court really abawie na this time around some few be a months be na ye be boa boa sa call general election no na modi we ya ba won say basa Ghana for will see NDC as a political party something different ana
no eja enye sa o tio we nye NDC mistakes o we ye EC electoral commission no ko ye na adwin say obi tio na me explain na what say won him say pinches no na e kai no ye hu no December 1st no na say ye mpani wo December pinches we dia so we could deploy pinches we dia so we are election no my MPP almost okay December 10 e ko ye IPAC meeting no mo say okay omigitum ombe sisa pinches no ye follow mo up to December na ka 4 days mami no way instead of ko sisa pinches no almost fast the same bad pinches in by December 7 won we try na me kai. So almost started rigging the election even before we start voting. So now Namika say on December 7th for no. Oh, say we use stamps.
Stamps.
To when I go to Abana we use stamp because stamp say won't drop the BVD records account. Oh, about to us.
Debbie, and then my was
so no Namika say when you end this asam. Electoral complaint Jim and asam. On so on you know on MBC why no you see this in pink sheet no say on you see on this in CI 127 no or printing new own pink sheets about yeah by no.
Dr. Mayana was
that's the question we should be asking her.
Dr. Tanko R computer ana yate ninken 1 year wo hwe abato ho nsem so ndi samanyoko ni dimo no abusua ehon nsem ni bi na wode aba na asam krata no ewa ne tofu abomu nyina ene se enema bi ekoso na omo andi samanyoko no mu gina so omo kasa aba no omo ne di nkunim na mom yisi ene na do dankwa Akufo-Addo na wiamu no emo nsam no bi no mafrase a wode ebe na nkoma no ye beto aso anwumere nyame ya adon no nsia kasa ibom no ye beto aso no yahwe na saa be de ye nyi sika kakra nti FID wo download one app no e Google Play Store hono mu a wo na okro no ade a ebo awiase ne adasa nyina me pacho se de obi a wokrom enam fido ba wabanti nti wo ko Google Play Store hono mu a wo download one app no a na wabo star 711 star 999 hash na wona wokro no yeni agent bia ye wohia eye wo Ghana card edimu na ete apo wona wokro no edika munya 200 Ghana cedis toso biam so no wonya 2000 eko abe heba clinic say awia yi wo twen de wohia ne say wobeduru na so ye tano so apatara pa nim site ho wo de jai kasa na nya kasa bebre enye dede so obi abu afa so a enye honum wo de wo kire wo say Bible say ye ni aduaba no na yemfa nubra hahama ene na hahan no nsayare eno na wo kire wo muamu ate ase wo ho enye kasa bebre ohun enye kasa bebre yare bia wo ba wo be mu akwakura wa brante wo baba wo efiri wo namrom kosi wo pampam enhwemu bia ya wo pese wo ye wo nipadua no mu nipadua na chi ene ba bia wo de wo pese wo kan wutu nyu kwa wa obekan de ama wo tano so patapa new site ho no mu a ma mi nim fom wa ben se honhom fa no hunam fam 0243 34 53 92 0243 345392. Cloud internet ni they are the fastest internet in the world. Was he encounter say Kumasi top higher one year new animal love FM and eti enhwanimu. What is internet? Cloud internet na ebo awsa kwame so. The person wodi ye bia wo boawo ebretiamu 0244 601 933. Ma husa akwaso ya kan krata no sa and this for krata no. Ugo so awo kan yin now there. Ye bless. Yankwe ana kobra na mehwedi.
I was your for your call woduma sekrobo no wapo ye mantemu. Amanabo yansa ka fi wonu mo kire mu se wachira brante kwa bia wanya mfie na duonu nkono. Mo amwo ye Facebook wonu YouTube no. Abusuan betumi abehwe na nipa mobo pa. Krache no chia wonu mo kire no no. Wom su se wo kromfo. Ana wonu ma bro no ade box ahwehwe ni ti so. Ewie ye nken so ho a wonu mo tabiri na wonu ne gatam. Sade blocks you be out to turn so and with them woo. What by Facebook or my Sompa 93.1? Catching the target and musano, and then show yakuma, and so tarn a show. And the catch and one gas and went to me who Nini Pabanya waye. So are you tuntum, so are you call, so are you fita, or been to me who. Now, gat an insure time wuno, I wish ya, as when you see a catcher, and on the blocks you know goodness Susana. Bag kakraka kumfu enyo gumu nyakumo bi nim se ne wo tu kwan so na wo nkwache no buru no dia eno so da ne nkyesa ena da ho no na asam ne bae no yeduedue mu atietie mu a ama kromafo no kire sa ahomache no wo beba okro no wo mu kura suma duro mu hunu manim no machi wo so ba beba okro no na eno msuso mu na de be wo de agengam no no na asam ne nyina na wie no ye sompa nkomo wo hia sompa nkomo nyame ya atoma fia da Wahini ni ama crunches of mami premeni wa tenase. Wana counselors a what drum panyu for one ma ben. Ewa wadia muni abrabo mu nsemo ba tenase di nkomo. Na ya shebe bia. Ya wari ya nebe kwa kudruwa so baba so wari ya sha. Eno ane se wa tolai wa bema na junima nuano no. Apo konkono no di amount. Fra uma nazo for asembra 0242 725067 0242 725067 and 0208 608563. Akokra mafia series nsunie. Wo pe series papa ye bebo akoda no ebe ma akoda na bra bo atumi awie ne yi a akokra mafia e ma ne nkwa social media no ma yi aba ba yi ama pressure bia meda no so akokra mafia de dia wo hwehwe bia wa brabom bia na busia wo benya de afrimu wa yosi wom akebeneza wom kwa kumanu konfo kolege ene nkae dodo no a nyame ya do me ndanu me no wotwempem mu ekopem no nkono na ya se cho repeat ukwada no mienu kopem no mienu mpem so wana maso ni 21st clinic the sciatica expert okuramu si etwe Abeheba clinic nsu ni ye mami abe ya de be na de kwa wontumi nsa ene na wonte ase medima for heba center bedi wasema mawo ama ho ato ye papa na wo pe mattress papa so ada ama ho ato spinal cord bia ho ntechema eye extra comfort limited wo mo de ne papa no wo D4 Same Power Ministry and Counseling Center wono so be show papa wade mu nsem aye basa hanyan no fakodano de aye honhom asem honam asem wo boawo no no nyina bompa ye nyame yadom so wo hawo no nyina to betwa abusuan ye gina we so ne nsem nyina asi ena wie wono mo boa ye kuku Veronica Jando akosua somoa wo hene ni ama crunches of mami premeni nana ya boa malibia boga afia age wa kodie adom ya wana so boa bi papa ena fe Erica Sir Murphy enso eye na famudie ye nkonya akua nyako abronoma ena fe bema no kan no kwa bi friends Chamini mo
ena fe so Dennis Sompa didie eno achi nso ye ba ha se ya Rocky school fees Akiola Dr. Salas ni ena fe so Ima David ene abusuafo nyina omoboaye akosua somoa ene edom nyina osamofo pani owura asante yeboa Benedict era mo nyina mo ase awie junior pops kini yeda ase sanso so ena Richard Ajeman Master Red Kaswa odiaba wonamo Steven Ntimuba odiaba Nana Equiamoa Boatin Akismi Savibepai Pad Mo J Woody Oha Sanso and a Felix upon Yahuza Swame Azeman Crespo Fufu and now Fesuno Flippo Dr. Babasamo Nasku Sufufu Inshraba Anelka and now Fesu Entry Paul KK Ewo Kasua Honorable Abedi Kwadaso Baroski Esisriwa Sanso na Honorable Stephen Intimakamo de Abbas Zakari Dramena Akenten Francis Amisco Spelele Kasua Kofi Praman no de wa and afeso ohene ba Kwame Apia Alukuje Dubai Boga onu ho kan ewia de samo ba bia wama mo de adwene yam bi na modwene samo mo ni haw na omo makanso abusa yam fancy ohun nti nyame ya atomo a anwumre ye besana basabe de Rocky DJ waya krado ya ne bag kakraka no